you're a snacker, then this is definitely the subscription box for you. Today we're going to be checking out the March 2026 snack box that is presented by The Balance Company. Hey beautiful, welcome back. Today we are checking out yet again another box from The Balance Company. This one is going to be their snacking box. Now what's cool about this snack box is you actually get to choose which you prefer based off of your dietary needs. So today I'm going to be showing you the original snacking box. If you need something that is keto friendly or gluten free, those options are still available on the website. So I'm going to be posting down below a link for you. That way if you want to go check it out and try one yourself, you can. I also have a discount code that you can use as well. I do want to point out real quick though that this box is heavier than usual. So apparently March is where it's at for the snack box. Holy bananas! I mean, I wasn't kidding you guys. Look at this box. It is filled full of snacks. So this is one thing that I love about this subscription. You don't have to go out and spend time and look for all of these different snacks. Plus, the Balance Company is going to do their best to give you snacks that are more balanced for your life without compromising on flavor or taste. So you're going to get things that might have, reduced sugar in them that are a little bit better for you, but they're still going to taste really yummy. For example, this Bobo's brand, I love everything that they make. So I've not tried these ones before, but this is the first item in our March box. Chocolate Almond Brownie Oat Bites. These are plant-based and dairy-free. They're also gluten-free and they are 100% whole grain oats. So these are amazing. Like I said, I've not had this flavor, but I've tried this brand many times. They will fill you up. It's a hearty snack. I mean, the oats do a great job of tiding you over in between meals, but also they taste so good and they're fresh and moist. It feels like you just went to a bakery, but instead you just went to your pantry and got a snack. So there are 5 individually wrapped packages inside of this box. And then there's your little oat brownie. Doesn't it look delicious? I can't wait to eat this. Oh, we also got the protein pretzels. These are so good. Again, if you're wanting a snack that has protein in it, but then still tastes really good, highly recommend this snack. So this is a snack bag and it has 32% of your daily fiber in this one bag. Plus there's 25 grams of protein. There are no added sugars. In fact, the sugar count is below 1 gram even. The flavor we have is cheddar. So they do make these in different flavors, but they have the consistency of a pretzel. The cheddar flavoring to me reminds me of a Cheez-It, but then you get all the protein and the fiber. So it's way better for you, way more balanced. Yes, highly recommend these. I had a good feeling about this box. It is not disappointing either. Next up, we have some mac and cheese. This is from Fiber Gourmet. Ooh. Who doesn't like mac and cheese? 57% less calories compared to the other brands. So it's only 150 calories, 24 grams of fiber. What? I had to check it. They're right. Not that I didn't believe the front, but I was like, really? But it's true, 24 grams. That is amazing. So if you want a good snack with lots of fiber, we are covered this month. We also have in here some spicy jalapeno chips from the Good Crisp Company. Look at this jar. I mean, this is not like a travel size container, right? Where it's like this big. You're getting the full size snack here. So this is gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, and soy-free as well. Even though this is the original snacking box that I have here today, you're still gonna get some products that will be gluten-free. The difference between the subscriptions are the gluten-free box will be entirely gluten-free and guaranteed. So that's the only difference, is that you may find some of these in your original box, but you may find some other products that aren't gluten-free in here too. So this one, I love that we do have a little bit of a spicy flavor. We've had kind of sweet, we've had a little savory, so now we got the spice. We also have in here a fruit jerky from Solely. This is pineapple, and I think that's all that's in here. I think this is just pineapple. No sugar added, no artificial anything, nothing but the fruit. It's literally just pineapple, and they've just turned it into a jerky stick. So they've just kind of mashed it and made it into a pulp. That's awesome, and I love pineapple. It is organic as well, gluten-free, non-GMO. The calorie count on here is only 70 calories for this. So see what I mean? You are getting tasty snacks, but they are more balanced for you. The next snack that I have in here is from Eatable. This is their coconut lime margarita. What? It's popcorn. I'm like, you had me at margarita. What is this? I don't care. I will eat it because I love margaritas. But it's gourmet popcorn. Okay, I am so thrilled with this. So this is another reason why this subscription rocks, because you get to try out things that maybe you've never had before. I can tell you right now, I have never seen this on my grocery store shelves. So the fact that it's in my box just made me very happy today. I'm thrilled. So we have a whole bag of popcorn, but it's going to be flavored as a coconut lime margarita. The next item that I have in here is the white chocolate amaranth bar. So this is a floral bar. Ooh, interesting. I don't think I've ever had a floral bar before. So the brand is NutriWell. And apparently this contains peptides and it's an energy source bar. So it says that it's white chocolate in here. You're gonna get the amaranth, plus there's a little bit of sea salt as well, and lavender. Well, lavender usually has a calming effect. So I'm surprised that they're saying this is an energy bar, but maybe it is. It just says that it's gonna be 150 calories for this whole bar, which I mean, I feel like for a snack is appropriate. This is definitely interesting. Again, never tried it before. Oh, and we have another one, but it's dark chocolate. So this is the exact same brand, same idea, but it's dark chocolate. The other one was a white chocolate bar. I also have in here a straw. This is interesting. Maybe it's a two-part product. So next up is from Bub Love. It's bubble tea. There's actually bubble. Oh my God. Okay. My brain is exploding for just a second here, you guys. So it's passion fruit oolong guava tea. There is no added sugar in this. This is a glass jar at 9.5 ounces, which explains why this box was so heavy. So I'm excited because it's bubble tea. If you've never had a boba tea before, they are little beads. And as you're drinking, you'll get these beads of explosion and they're little beads of flavor. So in this case, it's passion fruit and guava. And then, like I said, it's just in your oolong tea. So that's why we have the straw. And this is not your normal straw like the skinny one. This is a fat round straw that will allow you to suck up those little beads. And then they just explode and you get this pop of flavor. It's just so good. So it makes your tea even better because of having those little beads in there. The thing is, normally I have to go to a shop, like a coffee or a tea shop, to get bubble tea. I've never actually gotten it in this before, like in a bottle where I can have it at home. I'm like, this is awesome. So this one says that I love boba tea, but stopped drinking it once I found out how much sugar and carbs are in boba tea. That is true. It's not so great on the sugar side. So that's why the owner created this brand, Bub Love, and they just state that you can have the refreshing boba tea with everything that you love, except there's not as much sugar in it or carbs. In this case, it is 1 gram of sugar, which is a natural sugar that is going to be in here. So they did not add any additional sugar to this at all. Oh, I'm excited, you guys. What a great month. So the last thing included inside of my snack box is we do have a couple of flyers in here from the different brands. So this is Bub Love that we just talked about. They actually mentioned that you can get a discount code on here if you scan their QR code. So you can try out other flavors and save 10% off. I am definitely using this. We also have something from the Natural Energy Bar that we looked at earlier. Same thing, again, QR code with 15% off to their brand. And then last up, the Fiber Gourmet, who made the mac and cheese, also included a card. They create a lot of different pastas. So they have all sorts of different flavors, but if you scan their QR code, you can actually save 15% off of your future order. All right, I'm just gonna say it. This is one of the best snacking boxes. I love this. So if you're interested in the Balance Company snack box, again, I have a link posted down below, but this box is awesome. So until next time, beautiful, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye.